So sweet, guys. That's so great. You can see my heel is. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we gonna to harvesting some vegetable. Kita mau panen di kebun dan okay, what I have here is for the vegetable to put inside, and I also have a heels today. Yes, sexy heels. Oke, kita pakai karena sayang kan kalau nggak dipakai. Kita pakai berkebun panen. Gaya banget, kakean gaya. Ya emang guys, akan gaya kalau di rumah, kalau keluar nggak berani lagi pakai dress seksi gini. Ini adalah dress, old dress waktu masih single, so sexy. Okay, before without heel like this, and now we come like this. Okay, like this guys, and let's go and see what we have in the garden. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, let's go. And di sini tuh udah ada jagungnya. So I have this beautiful let's see. Wow, this is good. Look at that beautiful oranye, so beautiful but still small guys. Gonna to wait till it's really big. And here, that is so big, but we have to wait. Super. And we can see here also. Oh. And here have some potato. Oh, but it's already out. So potato, I think it's still small. Oh, we're gonna pull it out. Oh, look at that. Wow, this is the big one. Gede banget. Okay, lagi. Yes. Wow. Look at that guys. What we have today. Beautiful. Okay, it's finished. Enough. I need to plant this again. Nancep rek, sepatunya nancep. Asem. Can see my heel is everywhere. Potato, one more. So one more. Okay guys, let's go to the other garden and harvesting some tomatoes. Let's go. Nih jagungnya ada 4 diambil karena kemarin juga udah ambil 2 nih, the biggest potato. Oke, kita lanjut ke kebun satunya. We gonna to continue and harvesting some tomatoes there. Let's go. And yesterday also I already harvest this one, the raspberry. Wow, this looks so good guys. It's already red. Look at that. Beautiful. So good. Look at that, so red. Oh la la. So I think I have enough guys. We're gonna to look for the cucumber. And this raspberry guys, yesterday also already plucked it, but today is again red and very sweet. Look at my finger, dirty. Go that side. So wait. Lala. Here we have cucumber. It's big one. So we have 2. Okay, this is enough. They keep growing guys. I was harvesting yesterday also here for the fried rice. And now you can see this is small one, but this is nice for vegetable. I'm gonna get some rucola for the salad. Oh, this is already so much rucola. So that's so much guys, so much raspberry, banyak banget. Wow, this is fun. Everywhere just red. Look at that, guys. This is just super. So much. This rosemary gonna to make for pasta or lasagna or beef yum yum. For the raspberry, because we have also yesterday harvesting, so this is enough for today. Okay guys, this is what we have today, and we have so much. So happy. Let's go and cook some bacon. Look at the pumpkin, guys. This is hanging, and every day change the size, and super big. So my banana also so big. Yeah. And look at the corn, guys. Wow, this is super beautiful. And this just boil it. Bakalan direbus aja. Alhamdulillah. Look at that, guys. Beautiful corn from the garden. Wow. Why not? So, this one already done. Super sweet corn, guys. Look at that. Finish. Oh la la. Look at that, beautiful from the garden. Wow, super. Let's try it. Oh. Super delicious. Super sweet. Manis banget, guys. Super sweet. Manis banget. And okay guys, that is for today. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the button, ring the bell so you can see me and watch my video live. Don't forget, be happy, be you, and be yourself. Okay, bye guys. Look at that from the garden, guys. Sweet banget. Sweet corn from the garden. Super enak banget. So sweet, kan?